knowledge in kitchen appliance repairs is over 35 years of experience. With Atria Service, you will receive the best service and support. Atria Service is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At Atria Service, our goal is to stand out above other appliance repair companies. We strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We will work with you and your schedule to complete the repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call Atria Service. You can place your service request online or check your job status on our website, Atria Service ALYouTube.com.